Controversial singer Seun Kuti has told the First Lady Aisha Buhari that she is fat and it is Nigeria's money that she used to get fat.
You are fat and it's our money that you used to get fat. Send your DSS, come this side. Send them. You know, send that your DSS, come this side. You know, guys say you be goats. Aisha Buhari, you are fat. Capish? Capish? They don't invite the boy now. Me come the follow them, the negotiate. That woman should be in jail. If Aisha Buhari is not in jail, then there's nothing like law in Nigeria. If Aisha Buhari is not thrown in jail for abuse of office, she doesn't even have an office. Constitutionally, there's nothing such thing as office of the First Lady. This is a made-up office where they use all our money, they waste on top of their wife, so that their wife don't go fit, they monitor them and their girlfriend. You know, their wife no fit, they monitor them and their girlfriend. For all the girlfriends they fuck everywhere for the world, from London to Ethiopia to they carry women up and down, girls with they be born, their grandchildren, just mounting everything with whole. Male and female. Male and female. These girlfriends are not only female. They are male and then they are female. They can't create office of distract the wife from monitoring what's going on. Now,